G'day, Cyber Nation, and welcome to the BCB Cyber Series that takes on the tech stocks that can provide the cyber fuel we need to pursue our digital wealth passions. Today we're back on track in a new month and a new year with the tech growth companies. As always, we're digging for the cyber fuel we need, and that means growth stocks. We're looking for the top line revenue growth of 20% or more. That means this week we're taking on Bionano Genomics. This week we are diving into that biotech health and genomics company, and those subjects are of particular importance to BCB Cyber, so we could not pass this one up. Before we dive too deep, though, as always, BCB Cyber loves that deep dive. We strongly advocate that you don't ever act solely on anyone else's opinion, not even ours. Make sure we're all doing our homework out there and thinking for ourselves as self-definers, making our own decisions. In the end, the responsibility is on each one of us as individuals, so decide wisely. Jumping right in now, we do these quick deep dives so we can get all the info we need, but also to do so in a way that keeps us going in our day. To do this the BCB Cyber way, we cover 3 quick pieces of information. First, we tackle the story to find out who and what the company is. Second, we look at the numbers, both positive and negative. And finally, we discuss our own position at BCB Cyber. This is TS2B, Tech Stocks to Buy, High Tech Growth Edition. And again, this week we're taking on the Bionano Genomics, San Diego, California life science instrumentation company, blowing the doors of genomics wide open with its tech known as Sapphire. This product is set to disrupt the way we visualize the genome and detect variation in that same genome. That's a complete set of genetic material in a cell for all you novices out there, caused by disease. We're gonna be honest, Bionano Genomics is a rule breaker for us, as it does break the 20% rule. In the chart above, we did see that as BNGO, that's the ticker for Bionano Genomics, from 2016 to 2018, did in fact meet this guideline on revenue growth. It has recently had a few slip-ups. However, there is a lot going on with the company that requires further examination, and that's what we're doing today. So as always, with the riskier plays, we are gonna wade in slowly and keep a watchful eye. Bionano Genomics Sapphire, again, though it has incredible promise, and this can help reset our baseline capacity for genomic mapping as a species. That's examining the way out of the genetic material for all you novices again out there. That's genomic mapping. Where they go from here will definitely be a story worth following. For us in this review, the story of Bionano Genomics is all about getting a bigger, better genetic picture on disease more clearly, easily, and at a better cost. Better yet, that's exactly the news we see coming out of this incredible biotech. As we see here, BacBio, the competition, has only detected 72% of the large SVs, that's structural variations. And guess what? Bionano has a better product that goes far further and is significantly more sensitive in the sequencing method. That means increased detection. Furthermore, there's little doubt that the quality of Bionano's Genomics Sapphire has been given industry approval, and new developments are underway that could lead to very big things, not only in humanity's ability to fight disease, but also in the potential for Bionano Genomics' ability to succeed as a company. Recognized in the U.S. by the College of American Pathologists, that means they're accredited, and partnered with Praxis Genomics, another leading tech health company in end-to-end diagnostics, Bionano Genomics is on a bright path. Bionano Genomics technology, again known as Sapphire, simply does it better and more easily, not to mention cheaper, as noted above. Where other programs have come up short in being able to image variation in a variety of diseases, Sapphire comes through with a number of flying colors. As we see here, we see several different aspects in which, working with a number of research institutions, they have been able to do it better than the rest. Better yet, adoption is readily at hand by the medical community. Not only does Sapphire perform genomic mapping for less and more completely, but they add ease of use and streamlined efficiency. Industry recognized, reduced costs, and an ease of adoption all provide a unique opportunity for this biotech play to play a significant role in genomic mapping of the future. We at BCB Cyber tend to agree with Maxim analyst Jason McCarthy out there in that this company does have great potential to be a game changer. Jumping into the numbers now, BCB Cyber does love to follow 5 specific numerical metrics. That's sales to revenue growth, or sales and or revenue growth, and forward price to earnings ratio, return on assets, operating margin, and debt considerations. As we see here, we did have that uptick to 2016 to 2018 that brought us up that 20+%, but we did have a couple down marks there that we see. Again, we see that the revenues have stagnated, However, for 2021, analysts are predicting a huge revenue jump to $17.97 million on average from a paltry $7.45 million in 2020. That is the anticipated number as of right now. This would be nearly a 50% increase over their high in 2018 alone, which had been their previous high altogether. One of the biggest metrics that makes this stock such a risk is not only the lack of profitability demonstrated by not having a PE as we see here, but that price to sales and price to book have jumped to such extraordinary highs, almost 50 times what they were back in March 2020. Market cap alone has jumped nearly 22 times since December of 2019. Here we see the financial highlights for this company. This is a rough and tough business model, but Bionano Genomics does have a wonderful opportunity here. It is clear that with the leap and bound in market capitalization over the last couple of years that the market sees an opportunity. They are jumping on it. That's why those numbers are going up despite these issues. However, an operating margin of minus 453% and a return on assets of over negative 68%, yes, those are both negative, folks, clearly demonstrate how tough being in this business can be. Those are tough statistics to overcome, yes, but the opportunity is there. As the market too has realized this, the company has seized the opportunity, and they should and they are beginning to raise money with the increased market valuations. The most recent raise was announced, and they are going to be pricing a new share offering at $3.05 per share. In addition, the current balance sheet demonstrating a cash position that allows the company to cover debts will, in combination to the most recent raise, offer Bionano the chance to weather the storm while they push for industry adoption of that incredible technology known as Sapphire. Bionano Genomics has a tough uphill challenge, though, ahead of itself. And however, with that prime tech and new, more well-funded cash position provided by this market, there is a lot, again, of opportunity. However, it does appear that with stock price that ran to around $7 last week, settled in just under $5 during this past week, and then by the end of the week shot back up over $8 a share, we believe the stock is a little hot. While we do like this stock a lot, we come into it with complete open eyes. Jumping to the BCB Cyber Take now, we take a look at the snowflake analysis. As always, we do see that even the folks over at Simply Wall Street do also agree that there is limited growth with imperfect balance sheet here, and there is some future opportunity, including some health here. We believe in the promise of this company. As of this morning, that is this past Monday, that is when we first published the blog. Make sure you check out that blog every Monday for Cyber Wealth, and we publish one every Monday morning. And this past one, we did this particular blog, and this now is the video review. And so, just like we were saying a minute ago, our stake in Bionano Genomics sits at 0.95%. That was as of Monday on our portfolio with a cost basis of $4.74. As the stock continues to trade up, that morning alone it went to nearly $6. Like I said, at the end of the week at over $8. We will remain patient. As our desired position, being such a risky stock, sits at 1% of our total portfolio, we are nearly there. As the price bounces around in the coming weeks and months, we will be looking to add if the market reacts down to maintain our position. We'll be investing for the long-term opportunity. Our target buy is always under $5. However, we'll also be prepared to ride the wave, and we'll be building. Remember, we are just like the masses, struggling to make ends meet and build our future. So we start building and we keep doing our homework. This is just what we need to start us on our journey into cyberizing our wealthy lives. BCB Cyber believes in the potential for this risky tech innovator. However, this is definitely a stock worth buying at the right price and one that BCB Cyber believes to be the right fuel for the fire. Remember, we balance our perspective and cyberize our wealth over a longer term of 5 years or more. We will definitely be looking to add to our position with the right portfolio proportions of 1% at the right price. Remember, as always, think for yourself, do your own homework, and cyberize your life with the best in disruptive tech. Learn more in our wealth section and dive deeper into establishing the baseline at bcbcyber.com. We'll see you there.